Hey everyone, this is going to be a short video describing how easy it is to replace the emblem on your Honda Civic without going through the painstaking process of removing the entire bumper. Let's get right to it. Now we've got the hood open, all we need to do is take off this plastic guard right here. There's going to be 4 push pins that you need to remove. One here, one here, one here, and one up here. This one broke off a while ago, so that's why I'm skipping that. Just use a screwdriver and these will pry up. Just like that. Now this guard will come off, it just kind of snaps out. Just lift or move this to the side, this will pop up. We'll do that on this side as well. This one's a little more stubborn. Just pops right out. And then there'll be kind of a lip that goes underneath this plastic grill. And we just kind of want to pull that out, just like that. And now we'll just have to navigate this plastic around this hood release. And that's it. It comes right off. Now that we've got the plastic cover off, what we need to do is remove the Torx bolts that are on the grill right here and right here. This is a T35 fitting. I actually am using a T30 fitting because I don't have a 35, and it seems to do the job. So if you've got a T30 laying around, go ahead and give it a shot. If it feels like it's going to strip out, move to the 35, but for my purposes, the 30 is working. So we will remove both of these from both sides. Okay, the reason we took the Torx bolts off was so we get some flexibility here. We're going to need to move this grill forward a little bit and bend it in order to get back to the nuts that are holding this chrome section on. So we're not actually going to be removing the structure. We're simply going to bend this back a little bit, just only this far. Remove the nuts here. That's going to enable us to take this chrome piece off. Now it's time to remove the nuts that are securing our chrome grill on. I wasn't able to give you a very good view of where those are, so I went ahead and put pieces of tape down exactly where those nuts are. So what we'll need is just a small ratchet, an 8mm socket, and a 3-inch extension. That should be all you need in order to get these nuts off. Okay, spinning around here, I'm going to try to show you where these nuts are exactly, but this is the best view I can provide. So you can see there's one right back there. We've got one right back there. We've got one right back here. And this one over here I already removed, but you can see exactly where it would go. So we're going to go ahead and get those off. Just simply bend this back, attach our socket, spin it off. You won't have to bend this grill back very far in order to reach these. Okay, we've removed our nuts. And now we're actually going to reinstall the Torx bolts we took off earlier because we don't want this bending anymore. We're going to apply some force to this chrome piece, and we don't want the black part flexing on us. So just reinstall those. With our Torx bolts reinstalled, we can now apply some pressure to this and see if we can snap it off. There we go. Just like that. Easy. Now that we've got our chrome grill off, we have access to the mounting holes that we need to fit our new emblem through. The reason for pulling this off separately was so we have access to these small holes in the back. If you don't remove this, you will have a black cover that will prohibit you from getting at these holes. Now, the emblem mounts using these 2 pins on the back, but there must be a push pin that attaches onto these pins in order to secure it to our grill here. Those push pins are these little guys right here. Now, I got mine at the local Honda dealer. They had them on hand. I think it's a pretty common part, but I'm sure you can source these from the internet. I will put a part number of these. I will list this part number in the description, so you can just take that number to your parts person at your Honda dealership, and they should be able to pull these for you, no problem. Although they were about $5, so not necessarily cheap for two very small pieces of metal. But let's go ahead and attach our new emblem. Apply it there, flip it around. Now we're simply going to push these push pins on. Just like this. You can use fingers, you might have to use a screwdriver. They seem to be going on fairly easy. Okay, there's one. I got most of the way, but I probably will go in with two flathead screwdrivers and just press that in completely. Let's do the other one real quick. Okay, those are most of the way on. I am going to take a tool and make those secure, but that is the long and short of it. Actually, a good tip to make these secure is just take your 8mm socket with your extension, place your grill on something where it won't scratch, and this this socket fits nicely over those push pins. So just press down and you'll get a nice equal pressure. And there we go, snug as can be. That's a wrap, it's all done. Installation is just simply the reverse of the uninstallation. So just do everything you did in reverse and you will be fine. I'm very happy with the new emblem. It looks great and I'm glad it's on there. But hey, if this video helped you, please help me and hit that subscribe button. It goes a long way into making this channel successful. So please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. All right, until next time, thanks and good luck with your repairs.